front knee. Take a nice deep breath here. And we'll pivot the feet and come into almost a skandasana, so like a baby skandasana. And then we'll move right back to our warrior two. And we'll do that a couple more times here. Like a half lower, back to warrior two. And on this last one, we'll lower the hips. If the left heel lifts up, it's all good. Just let it here. Deep breaths. Now from here, we'll come into a extended side angle. So right hand can come down or on the forearm, left arm is up. And we'll straighten out through the front leg into our triangle pose. From here, left hand comes down, right knee bends, we step back. Option for a single leg plank or two legs down is just fine.